Let's get started with the liquid nitrogen. Ready? Still working. Still working. Okay, it's not working anymore. So, it's still bubbling inside here, so you gotta watch yourself. There's still some liquid nitrogen in it. Now we've all seen the BlendTech blender videos, but will it really blend? That's the question. I've always wondered because I'm not trying to sell blenders. If I was, I'd want it to blend everything that I tried to blend. But there's always a jump cut or a time lapse or something like that, so you don't know if they're adding anything to the blender to make it go into that pile of dust that you always see. So today, I'm going to have my own little blender here, exactly like theirs, and I'm going to put an iPhone 6 Plus inside of it and see if it blends it up into that nice little pile of dust that they always get. So, let's get to it. Oh, this hurts my feelings. I'm nervous, bro. I'm nervous. So we scratched the screen up just a little bit. Let's try moving it a little bit. The display light's still on. It's broken up. Watch it catch on fire. Busted the battery up. I'm not buying it. What do you guys think? I would keep trying it, but it's not even really making a dent in the metal on this.
The iPhone 6 Plus features a larger screen embodied in its smaller counterpart, the iPhone 6. After using it the last few days, one of the features that really stands out for me is the quality of the camera. The Barrett M82A1 has been a staple of my iPhone vs 50 cal videos over the last few years. It fires a 50 BMG round at 2,800 feet per second. If you're not familiar with a 50 BMG round, check out my library of videos. From off-shoulder firing to handheld M2s, there's bound to be something that you'll enjoy. assumed that that was a direct hit. I'm always worried that if I graze a target on slow-mo, everyone's just gonna rip me apart in the comments, and I'm always super excited whenever it's a direct hit, and I think you can tell just by the sheer blowout afterwards. But I can't wait to check the rated R slow-mo playback on that. But that's the battery, so I'll be careful touching this. But yeah, that looks like a direct hit. Yeah, I mean, it pretty much just cut it right in half right there. That's awesome. That looks really sick. That's cool. I dig it. I dig it. Let me see if I can find the other bits and pieces of this dude. I don't know. Well, this might be the only thing that I have to take home with me today. I'm gonna walk around and pick up some of this trash here, but pretty cool nonetheless. Day 4 down on the 6 days of torture tests right here on Rated R, so make sure you click that subscribe button. We got 2 more days left and maybe a bonus day.